Robotics has come a long way. We are beyond gimmicky concepts and now have robots that can walk, sort out kitchenware, and even flirt with other human beings. And the amazing bit is that they learned all of this in just a few months. But that's the difference between humans and machines. They have the ability to learn at a phenomenal rate. But now this learning is accelerated by technologies like artificial intelligence, supercomputers developed by companies like Nvidia, and online demands of lazy people who are looking for a solution to do the dishes or walk the dog and basically do all these mundane tasks. In 2025, we'll witness robotics explode. And no, I am not talking about exploding robots here. One of the highlights was this humanoid, the Optimus by Tesla. Now this robot has swayed numerous tech enthusiasts globally, and it's touted to replace humans who work in dangerous or repetitive or boring environments like dishwashing. Standing at 5 feet and 8 inches, it can carry 20 kilos at a time with a wide range of movements. Now it's able to maneuver autonomously using Tesla's full self-driving systems and artificial intelligence. It can even ascertain the pressure that needs to be applied to certain objects, like how it's holding the egg in this video. It's quite amazing that it's not breaking it. Now, production for this robot will begin this year, with application in the industrial sector to start in 2026. Now, possibilities are that regular folk like you and I will be able to buy this robot in the future, and that is scaring a lot of people who believe in the killer robot theories. One of the pioneers in this area, Boston Dynamics, also showcased an electric version of its dynamic robot, and it's called Atlas. Again, built only for commercial purposes, this machine handles tasks autonomously with the help of AI at its core. I mean, just look at it move. It looks something straight out of a Hollywood movie, doesn't it? And these aren't the only ones making headlines. Digit by Agility Robotics, RBY1 by Rainbow Robotics, and even the Figure 2 by Figure AI have taken the internet by storm. Even quadrupeds like the X30 and Boston Dynamics Spot are pivotal in the overall development of the robotics ecosystem. While these quadrupeds might not be as high-tech as some of the robots I mentioned earlier, they still play a crucial role in sectors like search and rescue, counter-terrorism, and even warfare. Rarely do we see robots doing good for humanity in these movies. I mean, robots can help us humans avoid disasters like these. Now it's time we showed people some good about the robot as well, and we need to really, show the good side. Despite the skepticism and fears of robot dominance in the future, humans aren't slowing down in terms of development. Here's Jensen Huang, the head of Nvidia, with a supercomputer chip capable of training robots to think and react on their own. Even language models by companies like OpenAI are being integrated within these robots so that they can sound more natural. Currently, the ChatGPT model, you've heard how it sounds like. Imagine if a robot were talking like this.
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table.
Sounds quite real, doesn't it? Realbotics also showcased robots with face swapping technology. These robots are not moving or looking like real humans right now, but after a few more years of development in silicone, electroactive polymers, and even actuators, which will act like muscles for robots, we might see autonomous robots walk the streets in the next 5 to 10 years. So the biggest question here is, should you be excited or genuinely worried about something like this? Okay, let's not imagine the worst over here. Robots will definitely make our lives easier. Some of the mundane tasks today that require human intervention will be addressed first by these robots. However, there are concerns like job replacement, biases, and even discrimination in AI programming, among others. Which is one of the reasons that Elon Musk has called AI our biggest existential threat. Now, 2025 will be all about the absolute integration of AI into robots to enhance their autonomy. They might not achieve full autonomy, but it will be a start. However, when this is being done, it needs to be done responsibly with safeguards installed. We need to hard code algorithms in a way that robots understand the consequences of their actions. There need to be moral guidelines, manual control, programming mechanisms, and limited autonomy. So even if these machines are hacked, they cannot do any kind of damage. Now, despite these concerns, I still think that you should focus on the positives here. Just imagine that how delightful your weekends are going to be if a robot is doing your dishes, taking the dog for a walk, and you just get to sit and relax. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it and found it informational. And for more tech, follow us.